The Linking Parameters page for 3D high-speed toolpaths, except for Dynamic OptiRough, horizontal area, and area roughing, has been redesigned and now includes new and improved functionality. The new Apply Leads option allows you to add leads to transition moves. For example, you can add a vertical arc entry or exit move to a pass and then use a smooth transition to connect raw passes. You can apply these leads to open passes or both open and closed passes. The new Maximum Lift option helps to avoid long, tall, or steep transition moves. After the transition moves are calculated, Maximum Lift analyzes the transition moves for a total height in Z and compares it to the maximum lift distance. If the transition moves exceed the maximum lift distance, the transition moves are replaced by a simple retract. The new Fit Transitions option trims the passes to safely fit the transition moves. In previous Mastercam releases, raw passes were only trimmed to safely accommodate the retract and lead connection moves, not transition moves. The Transitions page has been removed and the relevant options moved to the Transition group in the Linking Parameters page. Use these options to configure the entry move that the tool will make as it transitions to new Z levels. The Keep Tool Down Within option has been moved from the Cut Parameters page to the Linking Parameters page. This option prevents the tool from retracting between passes. The Curl Up and Curl Down options have been consolidated into a single Arc Fit Radius option in the Retract group. Arc Fit Radius is available for all retract types and rounds the sharp moves found in all retract moves. For more information on enhancements to Mastercam, be sure to visit whatsnew.mastercam.com.